Hi friends, in the last video we created this classic e-commerce website. It is using WooCommerce and WordPress and a combination of theme and plugins. This video is about the speed of this WooCommerce website. First of all, I'll show you the speed. I'm randomly clicking and you can see the product is loading. And in the next click, in 1 second, random clicks in 1 second, other pages 1 second. This is another home page. In fact, the home page 3, hardly 1 second. The filters, hardly 1 second. So how this is happening? The complete website is loading in clicks, in blinks. And this is a WooCommerce website which is generally considered as not loading so fast, and if the website owners are much concerned about the speed of their website, especially if that is an WooCommerce website. So you might be thinking, I'm using a very good server, a very good theme and other dependent things. So let us first discuss about the factors which may decide the speed of a WordPress website, especially WooCommerce website. So this video is going to be very informative if you are anyhow connected to a WordPress website or WooCommerce website, because there are many myths that are very commonly discussed and overwhelmed in the market, that why WooCommerce websites are slow, why WordPress websites are slow, and you need to have CDN, premium plugins, and the optimized hostings and the specialized hosting for WordPress website. It is not like that. I'm going to clear all these myths in the video itself, and also I'm going to show you a very good plugin that is really going to help you in optimizing the speed of your website in every manner that you want. So watch this video until end. Even if you are not using this particular theme, it is really going to be helpful for you in understanding all the factors that may decide the speed of your WordPress website. Okay, the first thing that comes generally in our mind related to speed of our website is the theme. So I must tell you which theme we can simply use for our website projects. This is a theme that is dedicated WooCommerce responsive digital theme, and it has got 5-star ratings, of course, and have a average number of sales. It is coming from the elite author. What you have to consider before choosing the theme: first, you have to watch the complete videos available for various themes on this channel. It is really very important to understand the theme functionality, what is laying inside the theme, what actually you can do with the theme when you are using the theme for your website project. So don't skip any video. If you are choosing any particular theme, watch the theme video completely and then you can decide about the theme. So what factors we consider before choosing any theme? It should be recently updated. It is very important. It should be well documented. It has got already 5-star ratings. It means it is already well tested by the existing users. It is coming from an elite author. That means the code and the theme developers are having enough experience in developing the WordPress theme. The theme is actually very old, and it is market existence of this theme in the market is very old, and it is being regularly updated, and it is compatible with the latest browsers, and it is compatible with the latest version of WooCommerce version. So it is really very important. If it is WooCommerce website and even it is a simple WordPress website, it should be compatible with the latest version of WordPress. This is the main factor that we recommend to consider before choosing any WordPress theme, and you will find all this description in all videos that I am making for theme overview on this channel. So you can explore many themes, many plugins on this channel, and I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel. If not, you may please subscribe this. So the first factor, that is the theme, which is deciding the speed of this website, and this website is loading in 1 second. This is WooCommerce website. Products are loading in just 1 second, 1 second or so, 1 second or 1.5 seconds, within 2 seconds simply. So at I Create Projects, we guarantee that we will deliver all WordPress website that will load within 3 seconds. So it is very important we deliver only performing website. So this is why it is simply written here, create a performing website. So you are welcome to join the iCreate program. It is available for you for every WordPress website owners or the visitors who are willing to have a business website, professional website using WordPress. So the first factor that we discussed is the theme that will decide the speed of our WordPress website, and it is clear for this website. Particularly for this website, clear means we have considered all the factors that may hinder the speed of the website by watching this description only, but yes, it has yet not been checked. And again, I am requesting, if you are skipping any part of this video, don't watch this video at completely, and don't watch this video, because it is really for serious visitors who actually want a fast loading website. The next factor that is generally considered is the hosting that has been used for the website. So this is a very fast loading WooCommerce website, and the hosting that we are using a simple shared hosting. Even the disk that is available for this hosting is just 2 GB, and I am already using this hosting for 3 websites. So this e-commerce website is already hosted on this simple shared hosting. I will show you the websites. So this is WordPress Manager by Softaculous. You can see 4 websites are already installed. We are using this website, and there are another websites or another 3 websites that has been already hosted on this hosting plan. And it is a simple shared hosting plan. It is not like a very costly, or and this is not a VPS, this is not a dedicated hosting. It is a simple hosting plan, and it is really available at a very nominal price. Again, you can follow the video description link if you want to have this hosting plan through WP Themes website. It is available for you as well. It is a very low cost hosting plan, and it is actually not especially optimized for WordPress website. It is a cPanel based simple hosting plan, and you can see the resources are very simple as comes in a hosting, general hosting. But yes, it is very important to select hosting plans wisely, and this is why it is recommended to follow the video description link. Go to the WP Themes website, go to the hosting tab, and select any one hosting. All hosting plans are very well tested, and we are using those hosting plans at our website project. So the second factor that may decide the speed of our WordPress website is going to be hosting. And in this particular website, we are using a very simple shared hosting plan. So again, this factor and the myth is now busted that very good hosting plan is required for WooCommerce website. It is not like that. So the theme, the hosting we have discussed, and it is not very premium. It is very simple. Now the next factor that you might be thinking that this hosting or this website using any CDN. So simple answer is no. The domain is directly pointed to this hosting, and I am not using any CDN service for this website. Still, website is using very fast. I mean, loading very fast in 1 second or 1.5 seconds. You can see the speed. And you might be thinking I'm using a very fast internet. It is not like that. I am using a simple broadband internet that is commonly available throughout the world throughout the India. So broadband plan. So it is not a mobile connection. Of course, I'm using a broadband connection. So it is well available. So I believe nowadays broadband is very common. So the fourth, fifth factor is again discussed. I'm not using a very fast internet. I'm not using CDN, and I'm not using the Cache plugin. You might be thinking for the next. So I'll show you the plugins. So again, it is commonly discussed and generally considered thing that if a theme using multiple plugins, it is going to be slow. So I am now going to clear this doubt as well. I'm going to show you the plugins screen. There are 18 plugins. Yes. So 18 or 19 plugins. 19 plugins are active, not only installed. All 19 plugins are active and all have been installed and all are being used at this website. Still, it is very fast, and I can show you there is no Cache plugin has been installed yet for optimizing this website. So it simply means I have not gone for any optimization process. I have not used any optimization tool for optimizing the speed of this website. It is simply installed and it is super fast without any additional efforts. So how this happened? You might be thinking what I am discussing. I am saying everything is not used, still website is fast. So the simple answer is that you have to use a very, very sensible and good theme that you can avail at WP Themes website. And I'm at this channel, and you can explore the speed, the other functionalities at this channel, and you have to decide a very suitable theme. It is really very important. The second thing which may hinder the speed of your website, the not updated, not latest version of theme, not compatible theme. Of course, we are using a compatible and recently updated theme, as I shown in the beginning of this video. So this theme that we are using should be actually in the latest version, and all plugins that has been used with the theme that is coming from original developer. I mean, you don't have to use any additional plugin generally. Until you don't try to use additional plugin. This is a main theory that we are using at our projects, and we never use external plugins until it is necessary. So we used to find a very suitable theme that is very close to requirement of client, and this is the main thing that generally makes the theme compatible with all things, because if we are adding additional plugins, it has to be checked properly whether it is compatible with the theme functionalities or not. So generally it is not considered. You can see all the plugins that have been used are in latest version. There is no pending updates here. So it is really very important, and generally I have seen in the websites that are coming for optimization at our iCreate project. So we used to have multiple websites for optimization and checking and testing on regular basis. So I used to say the plugins are generally not updated, the themes are generally not updated, and even the PHP versions are not updated, the basic core settings are not updated. So it is being the main factors that may downgrade or slow the website speed. So another important thing that I wish to show you, the site health. So which version I am using for the PHP, and also what is the setting available, so I'll directly take you the server. This is Linux server, this is Apache web server. The PHP version is 8.2. The PHP max variables 5000, 6000 PHP memory limit, and the input time. So you can copy all these things to your installation as well. It is really going to help you in making a fast website. So this is the main theory that we are using for having a fast website. Still, we used to optimize the website for speed and the node and everything. In we also check the code parts. So all the themes that have been shown on the WP themes channel, I mean at this channel, have been well tested. So we used to test all the themes before making videos or making use for our website project. So this is Orinco WooCommerce WordPress theme, and it is a very simple theme, but yes, it is really very effective. So we discussed the factors that may decide, but yes, if you are willing to have a fast loading website, you have to optimize the website in every manner that you can. And for this, and the next step, I'm going to show you a plugin that is really going to help you in optimizing a WordPress website in every manner that you want. So again, you might be thinking I'm going to show you some premium stuff that you have to buy. No, I'm going to show you a free plugin, absolutely free plugin, and you can use that plugin for optimizing your website. But yes, before proceeding to installation of plugin, I must tell you the things that you have to consider for optimizing the speed of your website. So you can use a CDN service. So I am very much concerned to use free things available. So you can use Cloudflare CDN. Yes, you can use a WordPress optimized hosting plan, and you can avail the WordPress optimized hosting plan through WP Themes website like this. So you can export the hosting options. You have to choose the theme very wisely, and this is why all the videos are available at WP Themes channel. You can watch those videos, select your respective business category, and even you can get in touch with us through the I Create chat. So I Connect, Mentor Connect will give you the chat option through which we can get advice on the theme which you can use for your website project. So these three factors are absolutely free, and you can use all these things at your website. Next is of course a plugin, that is Cache plugin or optimization plugin that you can use at your website. So let us proceed towards the plugin installation and the discussion about that particular plugin. This is not a very commonly known plugin, at least as I have seen. This is a plugin called Aerator for WordPress, and it is available for free, or even you can have the premium version. But yes, I'll show you the things that you are going to get with this plugin. So don't install randomly plugins for just for testing purposes, because once you install a plugin, it gives some footprints at the database, and even you remove that particular plugin, the database remains, and the traces of the plugin, any plugin, remains in your database in most of the cases. So with the theme, with the plugin that we are going to use in this video, this is a free plugin, and even you can have a premium part. Fastest cache engine is free. High load tolerance, you can check all these details. I'm going to add the link or all the relevant links in the video description itself. So what are these things? You can explore at your own as well. High load tolerance, it is available for free. Security free, multiple CDN free, optimization plugins compatibility, it is free. Lazy revalidation, it is free. Various range of encoding, it is free. Cache storage, space optimization, it is free. Cache data compression, it is free. Users cache, it is free. Browser cache, it is free. The HTML error correcting and checking, it is free. Caching separation, it is free. Content size optimization, it is again free. Media load optimization, again free. Scripts load optimization, free. No site registration and quoting, it is free. And there are some more things that you can avail in the premium version, like these are the things that you can get in the premium, but most of the things are available for free. So let us first download this plugin for free, and I'm going to simply click on this link and it is downloaded. So let us install this plugin. So here I am at the back end of this installation, and I'll install the said plugin called Aerator for WordPress. I'll go to the plugin section, click on install plugin, and here we can add that new plugin. Click on add new, and here we have to select the plugin It is simple process of plugin installation, and you can find the plugin in this search box, I believe. So this same plugin is available here as well. You can get it directly from the WordPress repository. It has got 10,000 plus active installation, got 5-star ratings, and it is being regularly updated. So we can skip uploading the plugin separately that we have downloaded. We can simply install the plugin by using this button. Click on this button available here at the search. So simply you can find the plugin by typing Aerator here, and you can install the plugin without any doubt. So activate the plugin once it is installed, and we will follow the on-screen instructions for optimizing our website. Let us see how it works and what are the options available. Okay, so it is here now, and I'll go directly to the plugin without any delay, and I'll find the plugin where it is. So this is the tab that we got with this plugin. This is Manager, and Zero Post in queue, Next Run queue, and Cleanup Old. Okay, so this is all things that is available at bulk discounts for WooCommerce post featured plugins. Okay, that is fine. So these are some additional plugins that we can avail through these links. And this is manager screen and cleanup board, run next run it. Okay, so I can go directly to the settings. Okay, so here we have to choose which type of license we wish to have. So we are very much intended to have the pre-extended plugin, so we can simply download this pre-extended plugins, and this is again here. So we can get that plugin, and additional features, please download the pre-extended plugins version button and open the validator's website, download the free versions, replace the existing one by pressing download pre-extended plugin version. Okay, that is fine. Okay, so we will use this extended version that we have already downloaded, and we will again install the plugin that we have already downloaded from the same link that is opening here. We will upload the plugin. So I'm using the accelerator.zip that we have downloaded, and again I believe it will fine. Okay, so we can replace the current one as it has been indicated or advised. Extended version we are uploading, and the base for the base cases. So we have updated the plugin to the extended one, and now go to the plugin installers is the next link, and we will go to the plugin setting again. Okay, so this is now a setup wizard that is available for us, and congratulations and thank you for choosing us. The most powerful optimization solution has been installed to your website, and there is a need to do one additional step. Finish step by setup by adapting setting personally on your site. All settings are tuned to get most stable and optimized result for most sites, and these steps can be skipped due to it can be run anytime. Okay, that is fine. So we can begin the setup wizard, and it is going to give us most of the things with the plugin. So on the first screen we have two options. We can use the full functionality or only cache functionality. It is totally up to you, but I am following the simple wizard options, and I am going with the full functionality, and we can go for the next. And it is better to be sure that plugins works correctly and at this site. So this diagnostic tool verifies all required site mechanisms and settings. So we can run this self-diagnostic test, and it is going to check all the things that we wish to have for our website. So I got some alert that to avoid display breaking, pausing while loading pages, the option default lazy loading module should be changed, set to no changes in the slider evolution setting. After the setting will we change, we don't forget to update the cache here. Okay, so to avoid display breaking, default lazy loading modules to set to the no change in the slider evolution setting. Okay, so the next, checking maximum execution time and memory limit notice. Maximum memory limit limited to 512 MB. It is recommended to have 2 GB for hosting. Okay, so it is totally depends on our availability. Next, I can see the rest of things are fine. Just we need to change the slider evolution settings as it is recommended. So the setting that we need to change in the slider evolution is available here. I will just show you in the global setting, default lazy loading in module. It totally depends on the theme that you are using. I am doing this setting for the theme that I am using. Default as per the recommendation of the plugin. Default lazy loading in the modules, it is set to smart and I am setting it to no change. And now save the global setting. Okay. So I'm coming back to this screen and so I clear the cache again here by clicking on the link and again go for self-diagnostic. And now the second warning is also gone and the maximum execution time and memory limit is only remaining. That I cannot change to 2 GB because I am already using a hosting plan that I am using is having only 1 GB of memory, so I cannot set it for 2 GB. Rest things are fine, and as I said, I am using a very common hosting plan, that is shared hosting plan, that has a very simple memory limit, and still the website is super fast. This is the beauty of the hosting, that you can also avail. So it is really fast and fast loading. So now we are here and at this screen, rest things are fine. Only we cannot change the memory settings. If you can, you may proceed for the changing the memory limit as well. Next, on the next screen, what is here? So which optimization mode you need? Always a high score or not sure, or always up to date content. So we will go with the first one. However, you can read all the details. And I'll go with this by default one. Okay, so setup wizard, which is the performance of the site hosting. So we have a low hosting. So I have already shown you all the things. Usually this is virtual or shared hosting with restrictions on the use of processor. So it will go fine for me. However, you can choose the medium or high as per you as per your hosting plan. So I am going with the low. Click on next. Is the layout of site is universal? All types of devices, it is necessary to separate the processing of mobile. So it is not. So no is fine. So I'm not going to change this. So no is fine, or not sure if you are not sure. So I'm good. Now, if the CDN should be used, don't use or not sure, or Cloudflare is used. So even if we are going to use the Cloudflare, it should be selected not sure. So I'll go with this and next. Run the optimization of all site pages. So we can simply click on finish and let us see what happens. Okay. So now the setting had been saved successfully and the optimization process will start working automatically. Now I can show you the things that you can change, like site setting view, cache and revalidations, what has been set here. So I am going to show you now what is actually available inside the plugin. So simple view we have already seen, and the cache screen we can have the enable disable option. We can enable the cache, early pages processing, warming up, normalize user agent, the broadly compressions, GG, deflate and compress, data compressors, this is available, and the same parts separation, headers. So you can use these options. So this is a very wide option. If you don't know how to do all these things, keep it as default. Lazy revalidations, posts, you can decide all these things, which post you want to include taxonomies, all update dependencies, processing. So what is the processing things like parallel processing and the time before next processing, interval you want to keep, schedule you want to have, and the browser cache you want to keep the browser cache time, and the server load and the cloud, so allow cache and the update cache if available, so you can keep it allow cache. So you can simply save these changes. Similarly, you can explore the scripts and style setting options and the CDN and advanced exclusion. So you don't need to do all these settings because setup wizard is going to bring most of the things, and this accelerator the setting has been changed, and if the display of the page depends on the setting menu, okay, so it is wonderful. So we can check our website again, and I believe it is more fast now, and it was already fast, so I cannot compare even. So I'm not using any tool for checking the speed, because so I is the main tool that can decide the speed of a website. If user is facing it is really fast, user is feeling it is really fast, it is fast, so it is enough for. So you can see this site is again now very fast, and we have already used a optimization process with the free plugin, and you can also use the same, and the site is not breaking. I mean, the site is working very fine with the plugin and the cache mechanism itself. So following the discussion that we discussed in this video, you can simply have a fast loading WordPress website, WooCommerce website, and the plugin that I shown you called Aerator is available at this website. I'm going to add the link. You can use this plugin. It is really a very good plugin, and it is most of the features available for free, so you can go with this. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solution for WordPress website, and I believe this video remained helpful for you, and you are already a subscriber to this channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you never miss any update from this channel. In the next video, I'm bringing some more good things for your website. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.